Welcome to the ultimate guide on creating professional AI videos using VideoInu.com. In today's digital world, video content is king, and AI-powered video creation tools are revolutionizing how we produce engaging content. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, educator, or entrepreneur, VideoInu offers an incredible opportunity to create stunning animated videos without any technical expertise or expensive software. VideoInu.com is a cutting-edge AI video generation platform that transforms your ideas into professional animated videos with just a few clicks. What makes this tool exceptional is its ability to maintain character consistency, provide multiple animation styles, and support various languages, all while being incredibly user-friendly for beginners. In this comprehensive 10-minute guide, we'll walk through every single step of the video creation process, from account setup to downloading your finished masterpiece. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the knowledge needed to create your own viral-worthy content using nothing but your creativity and this powerful AI tool. Let's begin your journey into AI video creation. Open your web browser and navigate to VideoInu.com. The homepage features a clean, professional interface that immediately showcases the platform's capabilities through sample videos and testimonials from satisfied users. Once you're on the homepage, locate and click the Start for Free button. This prominent call-to-action button is typically positioned in the center or top right area of the page. VideoInu offers an excellent free trial that allows new users to explore the platform's features without any upfront investment. After clicking Start for Free, you'll be directed to the login page. Here, click the Login button to access the authentication options. VideoInu streamlines the registration process by offering social media integration, making it incredibly convenient for new users. For the fastest and most secure access, select Login with Google. This option eliminates the need to remember additional passwords while ensuring your account security through Google's robust authentication system. Simply choose your Google account from the list or enter your credentials if prompted. Congratulations, you're now logged into your VideoInu dashboard. This is your creative command center where all the magic happens. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface layout. Understanding your free credits. As a new free account holder, you'll notice you have 500 points available for video creation. These points are your creative currency within the platform. While 500 points might seem modest, they're strategically allocated to allow you to create a complete video and experience the full VideoInu workflow. This generous free allocation demonstrates the platform's confidence in their product quality. The dashboard displays your current point balance prominently, along with quick access to your video projects, account settings, and upgrade options for when you're ready to scale your video production. VideoInu has revolutionized video creation by streamlining the entire process into 4 intuitive steps. Let's understand what each step accomplishes. Step 1. Content. This is where your creative vision takes shape. You'll define your video's core message, choose the style, set duration, and establish the foundational elements that will guide the entire creation process. Step 2. Cast. Here, you'll define and customize the characters that will bring your story to life. VideoInu's AI can automatically generate characters or allow you to fine-tune them according to your specific requirements. Step 3. Storyboard. This step transforms your script into visual scenes. The AI creates a sequence of images that represent each part of your story, which you can review, modify, and perfect before animation. Step 4. Edit. The final polishing phase where you add voiceovers, background music, subtitles, and other finishing touches that transform your storyboard into a professional video. Now, let's dive deep into each step with practical examples and expert tips. Step 1. Content creation. From your dashboard, locate and click the Video Generator button. This action launches the comprehensive video creation wizard that will guide you through each phase of the process. Upon entering the video generator, you'll notice the interface is divided into 2 main sections. Left side, setting features. Right side, the powerful prompt box, your primary tool for content creation. Script creation options. VideoInu offers 2 distinct approaches to script creation, each designed for different user needs. Option 1, Basic Script. For prepared content, if you already have a written script, select Basic Script and simply paste your content into the provided text area. This option is perfect for users who have already crafted their narrative and want direct control over every word spoken in their video. Option 2, Smart Script, AI-powered creation. For this demonstration, we'll use the more exciting Smart Script option. This feature leverages advanced AI to transform your basic idea into a complete, engaging script. Select Smart Script to access this powerful functionality. Using sample ideas for learning. VideoInu provides excellent sample ideas that serve as perfect learning tools. For this tutorial, I'm selecting one of these sample ideas to demonstrate the complete workflow. These samples are professionally crafted to showcase the platform's capabilities across different genres and styles. Technical configuration settings. Aspect ratio selection. This choice significantly impacts your video's final appearance and intended platform. Landscape, 16:9 perfect for YouTube, websites, presentations, and traditional video platforms. Portrait, 9:16 optimized for TikTok, Instagram Stories, YouTube Shorts, and mobile-first content. For this demonstration, I'm choosing landscape format as it provides the most versatile viewing experience. Language selection. VideoInu's multilingual capabilities are truly impressive. The platform supports numerous languages including English, multiple accents and dialects, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Hindi, Arabic, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, and many more regional languages. For this tutorial, I'm selecting English to ensure universal accessibility. Style customization. This is where your creative vision truly comes to life. VideoInu offers multiple animation styles. 3D cartoon, perfect for engaging, family-friendly content with vibrant characters. Realistic, ideal for educational content, documentaries, or professional presentations. Anime, great for storytelling with dynamic, expressive characters. Minimalist, clean, modern aesthetic, perfect for business content. I'm choosing 3D cartoon style for this demonstration as it showcases the platform's character animation capabilities beautifully. Duration setting. Video length directly impacts point consumption and audience engagement. 30 seconds, perfect for social media teasers and quick messages. 1 minute, ideal for most social media content, selected for this demo. 3 minutes, suitable for educational content and detailed explanations. 5+ minutes, for comprehensive tutorials and long-form content. After configuring all settings, click Next to initiate the AI processing. The system will spend several seconds analyzing your requirements and generating a complete shot list. This automated process breaks down your concept into individual scenes, each optimized for maximum visual impact. Quality control opportunity. Once generation completes, carefully review each generated shot. You have complete control to modify shot descriptions for better alignment with your vision, delete unnecessary or off-topic shots, reorder shots for improved narrative flow, add additional shots if needed. This review phase is crucial for ensuring your final video perfectly matches your creative intent. Step 2. Cast. Click Next after finalizing your shot list. The system will process your script and automatically identify characters needed for your story. This intelligent analysis ensures no important characters are overlooked. VideoInu offers flexible character management. Manual character editing. Click on any generated character to access detailed customization options. Physical appearance, hair color, clothing, facial features, personality traits, affects animation style and expressions, voice characteristics, tone, pitch, speaking style, autocast feature, recommended for beginners. For this demonstration, I'm selecting autocast, which leverages VideoInu's AI to create characters that perfectly match your story's requirements. This feature considers story context and genre, character roles and relationships, visual consistency across all scenes, voice matching for dialogue scenes. After the system completes character generation, take a moment to review each character. The AI typically creates characters that are visually distinct and memorable, appropriate for your chosen style and genre, consistent in appearance across different scenes, well-suited for the story's emotional tone. Once satisfied with your cast, click Next to proceed to the storyboard phase. Step 3. Storyboard. Welcome to the visual heart of your video creation process. The storyboard interface features: left panel, complete storyboard list showing all generated scenes. Center area, large preview of the currently selected scene. Right panel, editing tools and regeneration options. Each storyboard scene can be individually customized. Regeneration process. If any scene doesn't match your vision. 1. Select the problematic scene from the left panel. 2. Modify the prompt in the regeneration box to better describe your desired outcome. 3. Click Regenerate to create a new version. 4. Repeat until you achieve the perfect visual representation. Pro tip: be specific in your regeneration prompts. Instead of make it better, try show the character smiling while holding a red balloon in a sunny park. Voice speed adjustment. Fine-tune the pacing of your video's narration. Slower speeds, better for educational content and detailed explanations. Normal speed, perfect for most storytelling and entertainment content. Faster speeds, great for energetic, dynamic content. Voiceover selection. VideoInu provides multiple voice options within your chosen language. Animation process, the magic moment. This is where your static images transform into dynamic, engaging video content. Animation options. Individual animation, animate one scene at a time for precise control. Batch animation, animate multiple selected scenes simultaneously. Animate all, process all scenes at once, recommended for efficiency. For this demonstration, I don't use animate. Click Next after initiating animation to proceed to the final editing phase. Step 4. Edit, Final Production. Video enhancement options. Cover settings. Create an engaging thumbnail that represents your video. Choose from AI-generated cover options. Customize title text and positioning. Adjust colors to match your brand or style preferences. Subtitle configuration. Enhance accessibility and engagement. Auto-generated subtitles, based on your script with perfect timing. Subtitle styling, font selection, color customization, positioning options, language options, subtitles in different languages for international audiences. Background music integration. Complete your video's atmosphere. Genre selection. Choose from categories like upbeat, dramatic, peaceful, corporate. Volume balancing. Ensure music complements rather than overpowers narration. Custom uploads. Use your own music files for branded content. After configuring all enhancement options, you're ready for the final step. Click Generate to initiate final video processing. Aspect ratio confirmation. Verify your earlier selection is correct. Resolution selection. 0720p, good for web content. Smaller file sizes. 1080p, excellent quality for professional use, recommended. Click Generate Video to begin final processing. Processing time and completion. The final rendering process typically takes few minutes, depending on video length and complexity. Animation quality settings. Current platform load. Once generation completes, your video is ready for review. VideoInu provides full preview functionality. Watch your complete video before downloading. When satisfied with your creation, direct download. Save the video file directly to your device. Cloud storage. Keep videos in your VideoInu account for future access. Sharing options. Generate shareable links for immediate distribution. Content strategy tips. Create series of related videos for better audience retention. Experiment with different styles to find your unique voice. Use VideoInu's analytics to understand what resonates with your audience. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the complete VideoInu video creation process. This powerful platform transforms anyone into a professional video creator, regardless of technical background or artistic experience. Key takeaways. VideoInu's 4-step process makes professional video creation accessible to everyone. The platform's AI capabilities handle complex technical aspects while preserving creative control. Free accounts provide genuine value with 500 points for complete video creation. Character consistency and multi-language support set VideoInu apart from competitors. The future of content creation is here, and VideoInu puts that power directly in your hands. Start creating, start sharing, and start building your audience with professional AI-generated videos today.
Whiskers prepares for his first day of school. Mom helps Whiskers get ready for the big day. Whiskers feels butterflies in his tummy. Whiskers walks paw in paw with Mom. Acorn Academy appears with its bright red roof. Whiskers hesitates at the schoolhouse door. Whiskers sees his new classmates. Barnaby Bunny offers a friendly greeting. Squeaky Squirrel shares an acorn gift. Pipsqueak Puppy invites Whiskers to play. Whiskers notices 2 kittens playing. Mitten and Fuzzy invite Whiskers to join. Whiskers pounces into the game. The 3 kittens play together.